tell you right off the get-go you're not going to like this video, because it's not going to be what you want to hear. It's what you should do, not what you want to do. Top 10 when buying a home. I've bought many of them. I'm telling you, this is the top 10. Where to spend your money. Everybody wants to paint first. When you go out and pick out the colors and paint, clean up and paint. That's the last thing you do. First top 10 things. First thing, number one, right out the get-go. So when you go to closing, you finish, you sign your papers, and you're like, here's the keys to your house. Yay, let's go check out our house. It's ours for the first time. Go directly to the surveyor's office. First thing you do, get a survey. Number one. It's not what you expected, was it? Survey, number one. So why a survey? Why is that the first thing? Well, look in the mind of the people you're moving in next to. They've been there forever, and you're the newbie. So you're going to go in and, start mowing lines, or you're going to start claiming property that they say was theirs for all these years ago. I've seen the quickest fights in the world start by property lines. Cut that out. Just go get a survey. I'm having professionally penned. Claim your ground. I have seen so many times that I've owned more property than I even knew about, because the people of the past go, well, Uncle Jeb used to mow it, so it must be ours. No. Survey is number one. A couple grand. My last survey was a couple grand, so double it by now, $4,000, whatever. It's money super well spent, because instead of barking or badgering to your neighbors, they can just, you know what I mean? Survey, number one. What's the second thing? Like, off the get-go, a roof for your house. A roof is number two, where you put your money in. That's the second thing you do, is number two is a roof, period. Why in the world would anyone fix up the inside of their house when the outside's coming in? Roof is number two. Make sure you check it out yourself, or have someone do it, or just put on a roof, or if it's in great shape, make sure you visually check out your roof first, from the inside to the outside. Yes, that's going up into the attic and checking the inside. Make sure your roof's good, because that leads to number three. And already you're spending money on a house and not doing anything you want to do yet, right? Take it from me, solar panels, just solar. Good roof next to solar panels. Why? Your electric bill will never stop. It just never will. Your rates will increase. When you're going to all the trouble of purchasing a new home, make sure you have sunlight on your roof. Make sure, if you can do solar, you have to. Like, it's financially feasible. Why pay the electric company when you don't have to? Use their grid. Use their grid to hold your electricity, and then pull your electricity back whenever you need it. My neighbors have complained about, power outages and blips and loops and blops. Solar, baby. I'm telling you. So that's number three. Solar's number three. What's the fourth thing? Fourth? Make sure your power box is upgraded. So that would be 3, 2, 4, whatever number. You need at least 200 amp service, and you need room for upgrades. I don't know, almost every single home that I've ever owned, I put in an upgraded 200 amp service box. It's the only one I didn't have to do that to, and I still put a sub box to it. Upgrade your electricity, because that leads to the next one. So, it's not fun yet, is it? Owning a home's not fun. Everybody thinks it's the way to pick a thing. It's not fun. Man, next is your hot water tank. Stop heating up water and holding water into a tank and letting it cool down and heat it back up and letting it cool down, heat it back up. That's insanity. That's old school ways. Tankless hot water tank. If you can put 1 to every major room in your house? That's even better. Can you put one in the kitchen? Can you put one in your bathroom? And they each take so many breakers. That's why you need a bigger box. If I had to do it all over again, I would do a 18 kilowatt at my sink and 27 in the bathroom. That's what I would do. What number are we at already? 5? We haven't even gone in the house yet. What's up with that? Insulation. Yeah, the fun stuff. Insulation. You can just put, it doesn't matter what kind of insulation you already have. It doesn't matter if you have batten insulation. It doesn't matter if you have blown-in insulation already. Yes, you already have insulation. Put in insulation. Right over top of it, put in insulation. Why? I believe for an average home, you're going to do $800 to $1,000 of brand new insulation. Right there, you're saving 10 times of holding in the heat. My favorite home that we've ever owned is the one I'm in now, because I live in a brick shit house. I live in a brick home. I live in a brick rancher. I love the damn thing so much because brick is a natural insulator. My attic had insulation in the 50s put in. And then over the years, somebody's put in insulation. And when I came in, I put in insulation. I put a layer of insulation, boom, throughout the whole building. I can heat this house up, and it just stays warm. Which comes to the next thing, windows. I know I'm saying all the big ticket items. Yeah, it's just what it is. But when it comes to windows, don't change them all out. If you have a double pane glass anywhere, try to double pane everything. Take your worst window and replace it. You don't have to replace them all. Don't fall prey to the window companies who want to come in and put windows everywhere and you make payments to them forever. Don't do it. Replace the worst windows, worst door. And that comes to the next one, man, security. Your doors, your entry doors, your exit points, your entry doors. Make them solid steel. Make them steel entry doors. Security. And that goes to the next thing is the camera system. None of this you expected, I'm sure. Camera system is one of my favorite add-ons to this property and every property we have, because it has cut away so much BS. It's not funny. Thieves are everywhere. They're just everywhere, and it's a great not only deterrent, but yeah, to prosecute. They're good for that. What number are we at? Insulation, windows, security. So wow, we were at number 9 already to number 10. That was quick. Survey. What is it? Survey, roof, solar, electric panel upgrade. That would be hot water tank, insulation, windows, doors, security. Wow. And what's number 10? What would be I could almost go to 20. Number 10, I would have to say, would be the most kick-ass Wi-Fi system with Orbeez all around. And that leads into timers. What's an Orbi? An Orbi is this cool-ass addition to your Wi-Fi that broadcasts. I have half acre. I can run Wi-Fi on my neighbor's property if I wanted. I wouldn't do that, but I'm saying that's how far it reaches. I have a Orbi system that has multiple points, Wi-Fi, anything I want, anything Wi-Fi, and it's so secure it's not funny. That's your top 10. Wow. Oh, timers, man. Timers are awesome. I love the hub space timers. It works by Wi-Fi. All my thermostats is Wi-Fi. Everything's Wi-Fi. I can control everything from the smartphone. Everything. You know, whether we're here or on vacation, nobody can ever tell. Because our timers aren't rigid, set timers. I can do a swoop system to make the timers come on and off whenever, and the vehicles that are out front or in the garage, nobody ever knows when we're here or when we're not here. That's the beauty. There's your top 10. Is it what you expected? I doubt it. Because if you're thinking periwinkle white, then you haven't owned a home before. Yes, it's nice to have painted prettiness, but home ownership, it's not what it's about.